Hi everybody, Aiden here. Today we're right now at Franklin Park Station, the Metro one. We're right now waiting for a train this way. Now chilling down there. Yo, Connor, come on. Do I go to different locations? Yes. Today I'm here with my good buddy Chris's Trains, and we're
live?
No, recording. We're not just gonna wait for this train here.
He's not on his way yet.
Yeah, we have to wait a while. It's been sitting there for a little bit.
Just got there.
But, oh wow, I'm at it. We just got here right now. Yeah, down there. I don't know what they're waiting for. Oh, I see it. This is down there, some green. Okay, that makes sense. So the green signal on this rail right now. Yeah. Just chilling in the meantime. I'll give you guys an update as soon as it gets here.